Remove the wheel, take the lug nuts off using a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. Loosen up this jam nut, use a 24mm wrench. Take the cotter pin off. You can use some side cutters, bend it back, and try to pull it out. Use a 22mm socket, take the castle nut off. Now there's different types of front end tools that you can use. I'm going to use this one that's just going to separate the tie rod from the knuckle. Just slide this in here, trying not to rip the boot. Now I'll just tighten this up. Now take the tie rod and we're going to twist it off. You're going to count the turns when you remove it. So 1, 2, 13, 13. Write that number down somewhere. Now take the outer tie rod and make sure you count the threads. Put them back to where they were. 1, 2, 3, 12, 13. That way your alignment's going to be a little bit closer. Now line it up with the knuckle. Slide it into place. Put the jam nut on. Now we're going to torque this to 63 foot-pounds. After that's torqued, if the castle nut doesn't line up with the hole, you can tighten it a little bit more so you can line the cotter pin up. That should be good. Take the new cotter pin and slide it through the hole. Take some side cutters and we'll bend it into place. You can just bend over one tab and trim the rest. Reinstall the tire. Line that up. Put the lug nuts on. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 98 foot-pounds in a cross pattern with a 21mm socket to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. After you're done this repair, you want to make sure you bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so you don't have premature tire wear.